In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make quick color adjustments to your video using Clipchamp. Clipchamp is an intuitive video editing platform that makes it easy for beginners and seasoned editors alike to enhance their video content. So let's dive right in and help you create stunning visuals effortlessly. First things first, we need to head over to Clipchamp. You can open your preferred browser and navigate to Clipchamp's website. It's a web-based tool, which means there's no need for any downloads or installations. Just log in using your credentials and you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. If you're not logged in yet, don't worry, signing up is quite straightforward and doesn't take much time. Once you're on the dashboard, your media library is your starting point. This is where all your video content resides. Go ahead and locate the video you want to work on. Simply click on Your Media and browse for your specific file. For this exercise, we'll assume you have your video ready to be selected. Clicking on your video will automatically bring it into the editing workspace where all the magic happens. Now, with your video highlighted, direct your attention to the right side of the workspace where you'll find various editing options. Our focus today is on the Adjust Colors feature. This is your go-to tool for fine-tuning how your video looks. Once you click on it, you'll see a range of options unfold. Among these, the transparency slider is particularly important for altering the opacity of your video elements. By dragging the handles of the transparency slider, you can precisely control how opaque or transparent your video should appear. This feature is especially useful if you're looking to overlay text or images without them being too obstructive on the main content. Subtle adjustments can make a significant impact, so take your time experimenting with different levels of transparency until you achieve your desired effect. It's worth mentioning that Clipchamp provides real-time previews, allowing you to see the result of each tweak immediately. This is a great help in ensuring you're satisfied with the changes before finalizing them. This immediate feedback loop will save you from guessing what your video will look like in the end. And there you have it. You're done. With just a few simple steps, you've effectively enhanced your video's appearance. Whether you're sharing your video publicly or keeping it within a smaller circle, these adjustments are sure to elevate your content. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial on Clipchamp, and I hope these tips empower you to create visually stunning videos with ease. Don't forget to save your work, and as always, happy editing.